Good morning, children. Today we are going to do a new poem, Unit 3. The name of the poem is what? A Smile. What is the name of the poem? A Smile. Now, can you tell me one thing? Okay, with the name of the poem, A Smile, what do you think? Smile means what? Muskurahat. Smile means what? Muskurahat, muskan. So over here the poet is telling that what a smile is. Here you can see in the picture a girl is there, she is smiling so beautifully. Here the boy is also playing with the toy and he is also smiling so beautifully. So we'll start with the poem. Unit 3, A Smile. A smile is quite a funny thing. It wrinkles up your face. A smile is quite a funny thing. It wrinkles up your face. And when it's gone, you'll never find its secret hiding place. But far more wonderful it is to see what smiles can do. Far more wonderful it is to see what smiles can do. You smile at one, he smiles at you. You smile at once, he smiles at you, and so one smile makes two. And so one smile makes two. Now, dear children, what here the smile in the poem the poet is saying? The poet is saying a smile is quite a funny thing. जो हंसी है, जो मुस्कुराहट है, वो एक फनी चीज़ है. इट रिंकल्स अप योर फेस. वो क्या करता है? व्रिंकल, जो आपके फेस पे जो झुर्रियाँ आ जाती है, वो जो व्रिंकल है, आप हंसते हो तो व्रिंकल जैसा फेस पे छा जाता है. एंड व्हेन इट्स गॉन यू विल नेवर फाइंड. और जब ये झुर्रियाँ छिप जाती है, चली जाती है, आपको पता भी नहीं चलेगा कि कौन सी जगह पे वो छिप गई है कि जा चुकी है. बट फार मोर वंडरफुल इट इज़. बट एक मज़ेदार एक बात है, टू सी वॉट स्माइल्स कैन डू. जो मुस्कुराहट है वो क्या क्या करती है, कि क्या क्या कर सकती है. यू स्माइल एट वन. आप किसी पे एक स्माइल करो, आप किसी पे एक स्माइल करो या आप किसी को स्माइल दो. ही स्माइल्स एट यू. वो तुरंत ही आपको स्माइल देंगे, राइट. आप अगर किसी अंकल आंटी है या फिर किसी ब्रदर पे अगर मुस्कुराहट आप करते हो, आप हंसते हो, स्माइल देते हो, तो आपकी स्माइल देख के वो आपके जो छोटे भाई बहन हैं या फिर बड़े हैं, वो आपको तुरंत ही स्माइल भेजेंगे. एंड सो वन स्माइल मेक्स टू. और क्या, एक स्माइल दुगनी हो जाती है. एक स्माइल दो स्माइल में बदल जाती है. एक स्माइल आपके पास 2 टाइम्स स्माइल आ जाती है. आप किसी पे स्माइल करते हो तो सामने वाला जो है वो आपको भी स्माइल करता है, तो 1 + 1 क्या हो जाता है? 2 स्माइल्स हो जाती है. So dear children, hope you have understood. Now we will do the new words. Wrinkle, secret, hiding place. WRINKLES, wrinkle. SECRET, secret. HIDING, hiding. PLACE, place. So we will read the poem once again. A smile is quite a funny thing. It wrinkles up your face, and when it's gone, you'll never find a secret hiding place. But far more wonderful it is to see what smiles can do. You smile at one, he smiles at you, and so one smile makes two. Okay, children. So this is the poem lines. Please read at home. Now we will do new words. What we are going to do? These new words. Okay. Okay, children. After the poem A Smile, Unit 3, now we are going to do new words. What we are going to do? New words. New words. SMILE, smile. SMILE, smile. WRINKLE, wrinkle. WRINKLE, wrinkle. NEVER, never. NEVER, never. SECRET, secret. SECRET, secret. WONDERFUL, wonderful. WONDERFUL, wonderful. PLACE, place. PLACE, place. Hiding, hiding. Hiding, hiding. We'll read all the words together. Okay, new words. Smile, wrinkle, never, secret, wonderful, place, hiding. Now we'll go to the word meanings. Word meanings. Funny, funny, interesting. What is word meaning? Interesting. What is the meaning of funny? Interesting. Interesting means what? Something you want to know. Interesting. Wonderful. Wonderful. Wonderful means what? Amazing. Wonderful means what? Amazing. Amazing means what? Something new. Secret. Secret. Which no one know about it. Secret. Secret. Which no one know about it. Secret means what? If you want to give surprise or something secret you want to keep, or you want to share something, or you want to keep secret, or you want to give gift someone, and you will tell your parents कि मम्मा के भाई को मत बताना, उनके लिए ये secret है, and then you share it out. So secret which no one know about it. किसी को कुछ पता नहीं चलता. Hiding, hiding. Hiding, hiding means state, state of being, being hidden. Hidden, hidden. Hiding means what? छिपना. हम गेम खेलते हैं ना, छिपाई की, छुप छुपाई की गेम खेलते हैं, तो उसमें हम छिप जाते हैं, तो वो क्या होता है? हिडन. हाइडिंग मतलब छुप जाना. So we'll read once again word meanings. Funny, interesting, wonderful, amazing, secret, which no one know about it. It is a top secret. Something friends also share a secret. Okay, don't tell to anyone. It is a top secret. So no one know about it. It is between two persons or two friends. Okay. Hiding, hiding. State of being hidden. Hiding means what? To hide something. As I told you, okay, when you play a game, you hide yourself, then you tell your friends to find it out, to search you. So hiding is what? A state of being hidden. Now we will do question answer. Answer the following of the poem. Now we are going to do question answer of the poem A Smile. Answer the following. Answer the following. Question 1. Why is a smile a funny thing? स्माइल जो है वो फनी थिंग क्यों है? ए स्माइल इज़ ए फनी थिंग बिकॉज. देखो आंसर किस में? क्वेश्चन में ही है, हमने स्टार्ट किया. ए स्माइल इज़ ए फनी थिंग बिकॉज it brings wrinkles on the face and no one knows where it has hidden itself. मतलब क्या? जब हम हंसते हैं तो wrinkle झुर्रियाँ आ जाती है हमारे फेस पे, और फिर कब छिप जाती है वो हमें भी खुद को पता नहीं होता. सेकेंड क्वेश्चन. What happens when you smile at someone? जब आप किसी पे हंसते हो तो क्या होता है? आंसर. When smile at someone, he also smile at us in return. जब हम किसी पे हंसते हैं तो हमें रिटर्न में फिर से स्माइल मिलती है. So once again we'll do the answer the following. Why is a smile a funny thing? A smile is a funny thing because it brings wrinkles on the face and no one knows where it has hidden itself. Second question. What happens when you smile at someone? आप किस पे हंसते हो तो कैसा लगता है? When smile at someone, he also smiles at us in return. What happens when you smile at someone? जब आप किसी पे स्माइल करते हो, मुस्कुराहट करते हो, मुस्कान आती है, तब तो when smile at someone, he also smiles at us in return. रिटर्न में हमें सेम स्माइल हमें रिटर्न में मिलती है. जब हम किसके सामने स्माइल करते हैं, मुस्कान देते हैं, मुस्कुराते हैं, तो रिटर्न में वो भी हमें स्माइल देते हैं. सो चिल्ड्रन, प्लीज़ कंप्लीट दिस वर्क इन योर नोटबुक विथ नीट एंड गुड हैंड राइटिंग. थैंक यू.